Our universe is a place of constant motion. Stars are born, they live, and they die. Galaxies, vast collections of stars, also move and interact with each other. In this grand cosmic dance, our own Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. This event, billions of years in the future, promises to be one of the most spectacular events in the history of our galaxy. The thought of galaxies colliding might conjure up images of catastrophic destruction, but the reality is far less dramatic. The distances between stars within galaxies are so vast that actual collisions between individual stars are incredibly unlikely. Instead, the merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda will be a slow, graceful process, unfolding over billions of years. This essay will delve into the details of this impending cosmic collision, exploring the nature of Andromeda, the timeline of the event, and the implications for our solar system.
To understand this future collision, it is essential to know about the Andromeda galaxy. Also known as M31, Andromeda is a spiral galaxy much like our own Milky Way. It lies about 2.5 million light-years away from Earth in the constellation Andromeda. This might seem like an immense distance, and it is on a human scale, but it is relatively close in cosmological terms. Andromeda is a true giant, dwarfing our own galaxy in size. It spans roughly 220,000 light-years across, compared to the Milky Way's diameter of 100,000 light-years. It is also home to an estimated 1 trillion stars, more than double the number of stars in our galaxy. Andromeda's immense size and proximity make it visible to the naked eye on clear nights, appearing as a faint, fuzzy patch of light.
Astronomers have been studying Andromeda's motion for decades, and their observations paint a clear picture. Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way. The two galaxies are hurtling towards each other at a speed of approximately 250,000 miles per hour, or 400,000 kilometers per hour. At this speed, the collision is expected to begin in about 4 billion years. The primary force driving this cosmic collision is gravity. Both the Milky Way and Andromeda are massive galaxies, and their gravitational pull on each other is immense. This gravitational attraction is drawing the two galaxies closer and closer together, setting the stage for the eventual merger.
A cosmic ballet in slow motion. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda will not be a head-on crash. Instead, it will be more like a slow, intricate dance. As the two galaxies approach each other, their gravitational forces will begin to distort their shapes. Long streamers of gas and stars will be drawn out from each galaxy, creating spectacular tidal tails that stretch across space. The initial encounter, in about 4 billion years, will see the two galaxies pass through each other. This initial pass will trigger bursts of star formation as gas clouds within the galaxies collide and collapse. Over the next few billion years, the galaxies will continue to interact, swinging past each other multiple times. Each pass will further distort the galaxies, pulling them further apart and then drawing them back together.
The fate of our Sun and Earth. What does this cosmic collision mean for our solar system? While the merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda will be a dramatic event on galactic scales, its impact on our solar system is likely to be less significant. The distances between stars are so vast that even during a galactic merger, the chances of stars colliding are extremely low. However, the Sun's position within the newly merged galaxy will likely change. The gravitational interactions between the two galaxies will disrupt the orbits of stars, scattering them into new paths. Our Sun could end up closer to the center of the new galaxy, farther out in the galactic halo, or even ejected from the galaxy entirely.
A new era for the cosmos. The merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda will mark the birth of a new era for our local corner of the universe. Over billions of years, the two spiral galaxies will eventually settle into a new stable configuration, forming a giant elliptical galaxy. This new galaxy will be a cosmic behemoth, home to trillions of stars and a testament to the power of gravity to shape the universe on the grandest of scales. The study of this future collision provides us with a glimpse into the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the universe. It reminds us that even on the grandest of scales, nothing is static. Galaxies are born, they evolve, and they interact with each other, driven by the relentless pull of gravity. The future collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a testament to the awe-inspiring power and beauty of the cosmos.